I'm going to show you where you can go for entertainment and places to see while you're here in Varadero, Cuba. Keep watching the video. Welcome back. It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do product reviews, do-it-yourself videos, vacation videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Right now I'm just outside the Rumba Nightclub. So we've got a really excellent view and it overlooks the ocean. Right now I'm just at the Todo En Uno Plaza, so I'll show you around here. So this plaza is located just off the highway, and it's located right where a petrol station is, a gas station, and there's only a few of these stations around, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. And I'll take you for a little walk inside. Bunch of different shops, food. There's a bowling alley. There's games, rides, lots of things to do. There's a coffee shop here. You can sit outside and order a drink. There's lots of seating available. You can order some food. And there's a grocery store if you need to purchase anything. Got air hockey, pool tables. There's a karaoke bar upstairs. Got a pond full of fish. There's a bowling alley here. And of course there's a bar, you can order some drinks. Beer is 1 convertible peso. We got some kids rides. couple of clothing stores here. Some more kids rides. Right now there's a couple more pool tables and you can order some food. Looks like some pizza, hot dogs, burgers. Has a center point with tables and chairs and some reggaeton and Spanish music playing. And of course there's the famous roller coaster that you can see off the highway in Varadero. There's a merry-go-round and some bumper cars. It's not operating right now. It was operating yesterday. I guess they're doing some work on the looks like the floor. So right now I'm just outside the Beatles. It's evening time right now. They're still getting set up for tonight's bands, but I'll show you it live tonight. Since you left me, now I'm drowning. Just outside the Havana Club right now. It's still too early in the evening for it to open, but this club's open 7 days a week, and some of their nights are a little busier than others. I know Tuesday night is really busy, and the rest of the week it's a pretty happening party. Just check and see what's going on. There's sometimes different DJs, different music playing. I'll take another video of it at nighttime as well. Right now I'm just outside Cali 2. This is a street party that happens every single night, and it's really packed. There's hundreds and hundreds of people here. I'll show you a night shot of that as well. Just outside La Comparsita. This is another nightclub that gets really packed. There's a lot of locals that come to this club. One of the other things you can do while you're here in Cuba is check out the local markets. There's quite a few of them. This is one of the larger ones that I'm at right now. I'll give you a brief look of what's inside.
Look at this. Open, my friend. Open it.
It's one of these trick ones. You can't open it.
Hold this one for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to hold this right here. Yeah.
Yeah. Here, the camera here.
Yeah. Okay, let's try to open.
See this guy try to open the magic box. How
It's a
you do
trick.
it, guy? Yeah, that is a trick.
Yeah, and I don't know it. It looks, you can't even tell.
Oh my God.
I can't, I almost, wait, no, maybe.
I think I killed him. What the fuck?
No, can't do it.
What the hell, man? It's so simple.
You have to show me.
You need a helmet? Okay.
Yeah, you have to show me.
Let me show you. Use the camera.
All right, here we go, hang on.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
This corner and this corner, you see?
Ah, jeez, look at that.
You want to say one for you, my friend? What's your name?
I'm okay for now. First, I'll go walk, and
Okay,
then I come. Gracias, buddy.
Take care, guys.
Appreciate it.
Have a good
Thank you. See that? One of these trick boxes you can open. Awesome, awesome stuff. Stuff like that. It's built local here. These guys spend their time building that. Really good stuff. Really good stuff. All kinds of stuff here. Souvenirs. Lots of stuff you can get here. So I'm just outside the Cabaret, La Cueva del Pirata, which is also known as the Cave. You can check out this castle. It's right across from the Be Live Experience Varadero Hotel. You can check out La Bamba Discoteca nightclub. Currently closed right now in the daytime, but you can come here and check that out at night. It's pretty close to La Rumba. Right now I'm just at the end of the other side of town of Varadero, and that hotel just on the right there is the Grand Caribe. This is the end of the line, and what you'll see down here is you'll see a lot of people fishing. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's a bunch of people down there fishing, and yeah, they catch their evening meals. I'll just pan around for you guys to see. Excellent place to, you know, if you want to take a run or just to sightsee. A lot of things you can take pictures and videos of. The highway's on the other side there. So that's it. I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, share the video, like the video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know what experiences you've had with nightlife or any other spots that you should check out while you're here in Varadero, Cuba. That's it. I'll see you next time on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.